Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide share counts in threads. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Threads app. Now go to your account, select your threads and press on three dots. Here you can see the option of hide like and share counts. If you want to hide your share counts in your threads, you just have to press on this hide like and share counts. That's it. So this is how to hide share counts in threads. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.